Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the UI elements you will control. Insert a screen GUI named Main Menu into Starter GUI and add a frame plus buttons. Once done, wire up service references, players, replicated storage, and context action service. This lets you move data and bind input. Next, create module scripts to store shared functions for opening and closing the menu, because separating logic prevents duplication. Make sure to set visible false on the frame, initially to control state from code. You now build the interaction layer. In a local script, connect buttons. Mouse button one-click to functions that play tweens and toggle frame visibility, because local scripts handle player UI. Once done, use remote events in replicated storage for server-side actions like joining sessions or saving settings. This prevents exploit paths. Also, implement tween service animations for smooth transitions. Tweak easing direction and time to make the menu feel responsive. Make sure to debounce button presses to avoid duplicate remote calls. You finish by polishing state and testing. Run play solo, then start server with multiple clients to confirm remote events and UI isolation work correctly. Once done, verify output for nil references or permission errors and add defensive checks where needed, because runtime errors cause invisible failures. Make sure to disconnect event connections and destroy temporary objects on player leave to prevent memory leaks. Troubleshooting tip: if buttons do nothing, confirm local script placement and remote event naming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.